Hey everyone, it's Megan again at Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. Today we're going to be talking about the functionality, the features, and the ease of use of the Brother PE Design 11 software program. The Brother PE Design 11 program is a very easy to use embroidery program, which is very versatile because you can do beautiful photo stitch, you can do applique, and you can just send the design straight from your computer to the machine instead of having to mess with a USB stick. It is a really fun, functional program, and I can't wait to show you more. Alright, so one thing about PE Design 11, before we open it up and everything, is I want to show you the dongle. The dongle on PE Design 11 is very important and you don't want to lose this guy. So what I always recommend doing is to break in your software, digitize a keychain to put onto this guy. That's a nice bright color, so when you're looking for it in your drawer, it doesn't hide on you. But I'm going to go ahead and put our dongle in. There we go. And that sound told me that PE Design is in the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. There it goes. And then we can get started. So the first thing that pops up on the screen here is going to be kind of like your welcome screen on this. So it gives me a quick button to get to my instruction manual, use a template, which is really awesome if you are into doing sports team logos or things like that. Create embroidery patterns using images, so that's using photo stitch or clip art. Set your hoop size and fabric, so you can actually tell this program what type of fabric you're using and digitize it to accommodate any pull compensation or anything like that. And then of course import other patterns as well. So for now we're actually going to use the template design that we were talking about. And here it gives me a whole bunch of different ideas. So I can do kids clothing, I can do tables, I can do table linens, towels, aprons, bags, robes, jackets. So pretty popular. Especially lately, seems to be kids' clothing. It could be just because it's in the water, but from here I can pick something and automatically it's going to turn this into digitizing, and I can edit the text. So I can go in here and go, it's and go to the next line and go boy, and then hit next, and there we go. I can also edit in design page right here. So I brought it into software already. If I click onto my text icon here and I go to text attributes, I can also change what direction everything is going. If I want, I can keep it curved like it was, and I can kind of go nuts with that. If I pick my little ducky here, if you look on the side, we've got all of the different colors. I can kind of separate them out. And then if I want, I can change my little ducky's vest to a different color. So maybe for fun, we do like a blue instead. So I can change it there. And you can really go kind of nuts with it. If I want to add designs, I can certainly do that. If I want to add a shape and make a shape around him, I can do that too. So maybe since it's a duck, we can go extra and do a little duck around him. There we go. It's going to be a little awkward for a second. So I can bring my duck to the center there. And then over on the side, I can grab these guys, put it to go first. And then if I click away, click just that color, let me see. I can go right here and say I actually don't want that to be filled at all. I can change, so I have no longer the fill stitching. I can change this up a little bit, kind of make it so that my design is actually inside of the duck. This is always the fun part, the finagling. I can kind of make him a little bit taller maybe. There we go. And then sometimes I will, sometimes you just goof up and put something where you don't want it to be. Otherwise, you can also select multiple over here. Oops, hang on. So you can see all those blue boxes coming up. Now I can select just this part, bring it inside of my little ducky there, maybe make it a little bit smaller, bring it there, click on just the duck again, make it a little bit there, put it in the center, and there we go. Now I've got a great little patch that's It's a Boy that I can make for like a baby shower or something like that, and make it nice and easy, a custom gift for somebody. You can do it on a baby blanket, you can do anything with it. So, the Brother PE Design 11 software has a whole bunch of templates, such as that. It also has the photo stitch capability, which, as my husband's a photographer, I use that a lot. And the best part, too, is that I can actually send this design straight to this machine when I'm ready to go. So if I'm excited and ready to stitch out my little rubber duckies here, if you look, right on the screen here, there's a send button. And I can go send to network machine, which means that this, my software program and my machine are on the same Wi-Fi and are connected to talk to each other. So I can tell it, yep, go ahead and send it to this machine. It's going to think for a second. And then when it's ready, it'll tell me finished outputting data. So then I can come to this, press the embroidery screen, go to my Wi-Fi icon. And if you look, it's right there, ready for me to go. So I can press that, hit set, and it's already ready for me to embroider. Overall, the PE Design 11 software is an awesome asset to your embroidering capabilities, and it also makes it really, really easy to just send things directly to your machine, ready to go, ready for you to stitch out and work on whatever project or customization that you're doing for somebody. I highly recommend coming and checking it out. Any of us at the store are more than happy to show you, and of course, if you have questions, you're always welcome to give us a call or give us a comment below.